Are you struggling to stick to a budget in your business? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the basics of budgeting for small businesses and show you how to manage your finances without feeling overwhelmed. Why budgeting matters for small businesses. Why budgeting is essential. A budget is the foundation of your business's financial health. Without it, you risk overspending and missing key opportunities. What happens without a budget? Without a clear budget, many small businesses end up running into cash flow problems, not knowing where their money is going. Understanding your business's income and expenses. Income. Identify all your sources of income, sales, loans, investments, anything that brings money into your business. Expenses. Track your business expenses, both fixed, rent, salaries, and variable, marketing, supplies. Knowing these is key to building an accurate budget. Creating your budget. Step 1. List your income and expenses. Start by listing all income sources and expenses. This is your baseline. Step 2. Categorize expenses. Categorize your expenses to get a clear view of where your money is going. This helps when you need to cut back or allocate more funds. Step 3. Set your goals. Decide what your goals are, whether that's saving for growth, paying off debt, or increasing profit margins. Step 4. Monitor and adjust. Budgets are living documents. Review them monthly, adjust as needed, and ensure you're on track. Tips for sticking to your budget. Automate where possible. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investments to ensure you don't forget. Use budgeting tools. Leverage software or apps that can track expenses and provide reports. Be realistic. When setting your budget, be honest about your income and spending habits. Overestimating can lead to disappointment. Budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving your business the structure it needs to grow and succeed. If you follow these simple steps and stay consistent, your financial future will be much more stable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more business finance tips. Check out my book Cash Flow Unlocked to learn more about managing money and growing your business.